sushi for them bitches at the venue. Stop, drop, roll, continue, cause they just trying to mingle, and I'm just trying to sing you a song. Tell you that I'm leaving, but I won't be long. If it was up to me, I would see you tomorrow. But talk's cheap, so I'm paying up. New kicks be the only way I'm laying up. So maybe I won't make it as an athlete, but that don't mean to let the competition pass me. I'm Moneyball, Billy Bean and some skinny jeans, and the whole damn team just some mini-me's. Cause they ain't seen another kid like this. It's on your mind, baby, you should probably write this. I told her I could dance good for a white kid, so turn around, show me everything I might miss.
We should take a walk someday, dream about what we could have been. But I don't wanna leave this place, no faith in Brooklyn. If I move out one day, it will make me a better man. But I don't wanna leave this place, there's no faith in Brooklyn.
I said repetition, repetition like a muscle man. You just wanna tie me up, snap me like a rubber band. It's 2012, so now they wanna ask me what's the plan. I tell them never trust a man unless he Russell Brands. Pass me all that absinthe, for now watch me change my accent. I got girls on the back on the mattress, you got girls on the map like that's it. They wanna know, am I Jay Sean or Raekwon? Good Sean or great Sean? Stay long or Krayshawn? Nah, either way they try to stifle your dreams. I tell them keep your eyes open, you won't like what you see. They be here for a minute, now they're gone in a week. You trying to dine to the peak, I'm trying to Andre the beat. Lord, can you tell me where my faith is? I graduated and I still ain't made the A-list. It ain't a problem if you tell me how you feel, girl. I know the road rules, but you need the real world.
We should take a walk someday, dream about what we could have been. But I don't wanna leave this place, no faith in Brooklyn. If I move out one day, it will make me a better man. But I don't wanna leave this place, there's no faith in Brooklyn. I say, ooh, girl, turn around, tell me where we're going now. Ooh, girl, take it back, I don't wanna end like that. Cause I'm all over the world, I'm all over the world. Ooh. And come back to Brooklyn, and come back to Brooklyn, and come back to Brooklyn. We should take a walk someday, dream about what we could have been. But I don't wanna leave this place, no faith in Brooklyn.
She running with the fast crowd, but she call me every night before she pass out. I don't wanna waste my time with girls who roll in their eyelids, girls who looking for a place to stay because they came away from Long Island. I don't wanna make your mind up, I'm just trying to make you mine quick. But ever since I put you in my line up, all I do is choke, Heimlich. Good girl in a bad dress, but ain't nothing really changed but your address. You in the Upper West Side, you were thinking of the people that never would've accepted all your assets. But I'm cashless and you cash poor, I'ma give you anything that you ask for. You a small town girl, but you living in the city, so you always keep your heart near your passport. Yeah, she in the city, but she from a small town. High heels, tall shots, make her fall down. Up late, now she running with the fast crowd, but she call me every night before she pass out. You ain't fooling us. You're from a small town. You ain't fooling us. You're from a small town. I don't know what's next for us, but every time I talk's like I messed it up. People wanna tell me that I'm too honest, walking on eggshells, two eyelids. And I know that it's hard cause you left your town. Dad don't call like he let you down. You don't wanna talk when the sun is out, but if we get a little drunk then it's all allowed. And the truth comes down, it's pouring, pouring, about to drop bombs like Warren Moon. Color of your skin be orange, orange, orange. You're the girl that I met last June who was so damn fun, man, where did she go? On vacation, Puerto Rico,